If you take, for example, the aluminium tower system, that is fixed dimensionally. We all know an aluminium tower system is perfectly acceptable for some certain jobs. However, it is fixed dimensionally. Really, you can only go up or down with it, and it certainly hasn't got any applications in awkward access areas. The LOBO system, however, because it's modular, can be assembled to any size, so therefore any dimension can be adjusted. In terms of regular scaffolding, that's the equipment that you see on a house extension or something. That is a heavy product, and that is for construction purposes. LOBO is really an engineering product, and it doesn't require any tools. It is a much lighter weight product, although it is made from steel and extremely strong. So I think LOBO Systems has some unique points that differentiate it quite clearly from an aluminium tower system or traditional tube and clamp scaffolding.
For more information, go to www.lobosystems.com/free guide.